Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. This is the Luxe Toy Hauler. This is our prototype. We've been following it for quite some time now. Wanted to give you a brief update of what's going on in here. This is your half bath that's in the garage. It's an option. You don't have to have the half bath in there. It's got a beautiful stereo in there, nice TV back here. You can have, it's got a double bunk. These are full-size beds, 2 bunk beds, and they go all the way up to the ceiling area there. Get your toys in very nicely. 5,000-pound rated ramp door. Go into the living area. We've got some beautiful hardwood cabinetry. This is our beachfront cabinetry. Go into the bedroom area. This is what you got. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. We're getting ready to put the doors in. Hey, give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.